Good morning from Golden Sands. Have you been feeling the heat this summer? Take a moment to arrive with me here at the beach. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin and listen to the soothing sounds of the waves. Now let's flow with them. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and begin to move gently from your center, swaying left and right. Keep your knees soft, your arms relaxed, and your fingers open. Move as though you're gliding through fresh, crystal clear water. Allow this cooling movement to refresh your body and calm your mind. This movement is called water waves. It gently opens the door of life in the lower back, encouraging your energy to flow freely. Simply enjoy the gentleness and ease of this flowing movement. You slow down and come into stillness. Observe your body. Notice any sensations. Simply breathe and allow yourself to enjoy this moment of calm. Next, let's awaken our hands. Begin by gently clapping your hands together, then rub your palms, feel the energy. Now bring your middle fingers to the center of your chest. This point, right in the middle of the breastbone, is known as CV17. Massage this point with small gentle circles. This is called Sea of Tranquility, an important energy point that helps open the chest, calm the heart, and encourage the free flow of qi. Now take a slow, deep inhale. As you exhale, release. Haaa. Allowing any excess heat to soften and dissolve. Again, inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Now smile. Finally, brush your fingers lightly as though you're dusting them off, letting go of any remaining heat and stagnant energy. Now let's help cool and soothe the liver. Lift your right arm overhead, opening the side of your body. Begin by gently tapping heart 1. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, tap down the side of your body, following the pathway over the liver. Again, inhale and exhale, gently tap downward. Now lower your arms slightly and simply pause. Notice any sensations. Imagine a stream of fresh, crystal clear water flowing from heart 1 down through the side of your body, gently cooling, refreshing, and washing away any excess heat. Allow your body to receive the soothing, calming energy. Now let's repeat on the other side. Lift your arm overhead and begin tapping heart 1. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, tap down the side of your body, this time passing over the spleen. Repeat 2 more times, moving with your breath. Then gently lower your arm and come into stillness. Pause for a moment. Simply breathe and receive. Now let's trace the heart meridian. Open your right arm with the palm facing upward. Place your fingers at heart 1. Trace along the outer edge of the inside of your arm, following the heart meridian all the way to the little finger. Then imagine pulling away any sticky, stagnant energy and throw it away. Now let's repeat on the left side. Open your left arm with the palms facing upward. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, trace down the heart meridian to the little finger. Gently massage. Pull away any remaining stagnant energy and release it. Toss it away. Then allow your arm to relax. Notice the unique energy signature of tracing the heart meridian. There's nothing you need to do. Simply observe, breathe, and receive. Now let's enjoy an energetic shower with drawing down the heavens. As you inhale, slowly raise your arms out to the sides and overhead. As you exhale, gently draw your hands down as though you're showering yourself with fresh cooling water. Again, inhale as your arms float up. Exhale as you draw them down, releasing and rinsing away any remaining heat, leaving you feeling refreshed, clear and calm. One last time, inhale and exhale. Now we move into a powerful practice called Repulse the Monkey. Begin by opening your right arm with the palm facing upward. Take a slow inhale. As you exhale, let your left hand gently slide above the inside of your right arm, from the shoulder all the way to the fingertips. Inhale. Exhale as your right hand glides above the inside of your left arm. There's no need to touch the skin. Simply hover your hand above the arm as though you're smoothing the energy field. Continue flowing from side to side, moving slowly with your breath. Now let's expand the movement. As you inhale, open your arm. As you exhale, begin by gently brushing behind the ear and down the side of the neck. Then continue gliding above the inside, the arm, all the way to the fingertips, moving like a slow, flowing wave. This gentle movement follows the pathway of the heart, pericardium, and triple Wama meridians, inviting the nervous system to soften and settle. The name Repulse the Monkey reminds us to quiet the restless monkey mind. With each pass, imagine smoothing away mental chatter, releasing tension, and inviting a sense of spaciousness and peace. Allow the sweeping motion to soften gradually until it flows gently through your hands, as though you're gathering the beautiful energy you've cultivated throughout this practice. Begin to shape a small chi pearl between your palms. Feel its gentle warmth, its light, its peaceful presence. Take a slow breath in. And as you exhale, gently place the chi pearl into your lower dantian. Allow it to sink deeply, like a luminous pearl, slowly settling onto the quiet ocean floor, just in front of the lower spine. Rest your hands softly over your lower dantian. Breathe. Feel grounded, centered, and quietly nourished from within. We complete our practice with the integration flow. As you inhale, slowly raise your left arm overhead. As you exhale, draw your hand down. Now repeat on the other side. Inhale, your right arm rises. Exhale as you gently draw your hand down the center line, returning once again to your lower dantian. Continue for a few more rounds, moving slowly with your breath. With each circle, gather and integrate the beautiful energy you've cultivated today. Feel your upper dantian clear and calm, your middle dantian open with peace and ease, your lower dantian grounding and nourishing your body. Allow these three energy centers to come into harmony. Mind, heart, body, balanced, connected, whole. Step your feet together, ground yourself again, and then allow yourself to become soft and surrender to the movement of your body. Sway like a bamboo in the wind, forth and back, firmly rooted to the ground and flexible in your body. Now slow down and come to stillness with the hands to the heart. We return home. May you carry this feeling of coolness, clarity, and peaceful energy with you throughout your day. Thank you for flowing with me. If you'd like to stay in touch, you can subscribe to my channel and join my newsletter. I'll link it below. Keep flowing, keep smiling, and keep shining. I'm wishing you a wonderful day filled with radiant chi. Bye-bye.